What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I wanted to give you a quick look at the Tusk cargo anchors. Now, if you have got an Xpedition model in your garage, we have now got this kit set up specifically for your machine. So if you're looking for a sturdy cargo anchor spot so that you can tie down coolers or any other accessories that you're going to be throwing in your bed, you're not going to want to miss out on this. So let's talk about this just a little bit. This is made out of steel with a powder coated finish, and so it is going to last a long time and hold up to years and years of abuse. Now, a big thing that you're going to notice with this kit and what makes it all possible is our Tusk bed rail nut. Now, what this does is it works with the Polaris Lock Ride Max system, and this little kit right here is going to hold together and work with this stock system, all the while giving you the ability to move this wherever you need it to be and then tighten it down so that you can put this cargo anchor anywhere you're going to have something that you need to strap down. Now, this is a great affordable modification that you can do to the bed of your machine if you're going to be hauling all the stuff out on your adventures. These do come as pairs, and so you are going to get 2 of those for every kit that you purchase. To get yours, jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to find yours. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.